ID and an inventory number so you can maintain control of your tool fleet. If something breaks down, no problem. Hilti has another way to make your work easier. We repair or replace your tools quickly at no additional cost. Hilti will also update your tools on a regular basis, always with the latest generation models. All this on a single monthly invoice. This will seem incredible to you, but the benefits don't end there. The more you choose Hilti, the more Hilti services benefit you, like tools on demand. Hilti's new service, reserved for customers with at least 10 tools. Now you can put high-performing Hilti tools to work when and where you need them. We call it Tools on Demand. You'll call it Smarter Business. Tools on Demand is ideal for handling planned peak periods on the job site since it meets your demanding tool needs all the time.
Okay. I saw يمكن 3-4 أشخاص came up with we're going to be the Netflix of tools. خلي الناس يستأجروا tools يستخدموها وقت ما يحتاج. Why? Is it because we're all geniuses? المفروض يحطونا في البورد of Hilti? It's because we took the time to look at the customer احتياجاته إيش. If you do that, you'll be able to build the model. You dig into the customer and then you zoom out وتغير الموديل حقك. You change your plan. Instead of being a manufacturing company, you become almost a technology company depending on good IT infrastructure, good tracking, inventory management. ليش? What is your competitor good at? China is good at making things, large quantities, ويرسلوها حوالين العالم كله. ولا لا? This requires on-the-ground presence. This requires precision. You're changing the rules of the game. This is what we mean with utilize your business model. Use it as an evolving, growing thing. كل ما لقينا افتراضات اختبرناها لقينا انه يشتغل ما يشتغل نغير. هذا الهدف. كلها افتراضات. كيف نقدر نختبرها؟ كيف نقدر نديها؟ هذا هو الهدف من اليوم. So with that, thank you very much. We'll be around for the rest of the 3 days, so feel free to ask us any questions, grab us, but we have to run right now.
So now we move to the coffee break. Up next, we have Points to Help You Raise VC Money by Abdulrahman Hamad, Managing Partner of SME Lows.